All right, let's talk about field creations. It is one of the outstanding features that truly distinguish PyPDFForm from some of the other PDF libraries in the Python ecosystem. At the moment when this video is being recorded, PyPDFForm lets you create 6 different types of fields. There is text field, checkbox, radio buttons, image, dropdown, and signature fields. Today we'll be talking about text field. Text field is the backbone of a PDF form. You don't need a checkbox, you don't need a dropdown, but you almost always need a text field in order to call a PDF form. As we have mentioned before, you do need a good understanding of the PDF coordinate system so that you know exactly where you're positioning your created field on a PDF. That's why I have this old script from previous videos that we used to generate a PDF grid view that we will be making changes based on to show how you can create a text field. Okay, so it's actually very simple. To start, you do need an extra import called fields. This is a container namespace that contains all the supported PDF form field that you can create using PyPDFForm. And then you just have to do PDF, which is our PDF wrapper object dot bulk create fields. Now there still is an old method called just simply create fields that you could use to create a form field. However, it is not advised that you use it anymore because when you have to create a large number of form field, that method became very slow. So use the bulk method instead just for the performance gain. And because it's a bulk creation method, it takes a list rather than a single field to create. So it takes a list, and then in the list, we're going to specify our form field. So let's do fields, and we're going to create a text field, so text field. So this is the object we're going to use to create our text field. It does come with a number of required parameters. The first one is called name. What this is that this is the dictionary key that you'll be using to fill a text field when you need to fill it, right? That is the unique identifier. We've seen that in the tutorials about how to fill a PDF form. So in this case, I'm just gonna give it a name called text field. And then it does need a page number. It needs to know on which page of the PDF I need to create this form field. And in this case, let's just do it on the first page. And then it also needs to know where exactly you're gonna position this field, right? So this is where the coordinate system come in handy. So in this case, we're just gonna position it here at the 100 and 700 coordinate position. So that is x equals 100, and then y equals 700. Oops, not 7001. And that's it. Let's go ahead and run this. Python from scratch.py, and if we refresh, we have created ourselves a text field. So it looks like it worked.